Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use stopwatch in Windows 10. So if you want to use the stopwatch, you have to go to the clock. So how do we get to the clock? First of all, we have to click on the start button here, and then we have to go and find clock. So the clock should be in the C section, and there you go. We have found the clock and we have to click on it. Now that we have opened clock, we can see there are many options here, and the stopwatch is this. This is the stopwatch, and to use it we have to click here to start. So you can see it has started and it is going. Now to stop it we just have to click here again, and you can see we have stopped the stopwatch and we can start it again. So now to reset the stopwatch, you can use this reset button so that it gets resetted. Now you can again start the stopwatch. Also, you can use this flag or laps or splits type of things. So that's how you use stopwatch in Windows 10. Thanks everyone for watching this video. And if you think this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking this video. And I will see you in another video.